everyone, today for my kitchen I'm going to present for you a delicious Lebanese wrap. I'm going to make beef wrap with hummus and Lebanese salad. So follow me step by step and hope you will enjoy this video. First we are going to prepare the marinated beef. Here I have half a kilo of beef. So as you can see, I just chopped them like sliced and they're ready. So here I have many stuff. I'm going to list for you the ingredients down in the description box if you want to give this recipe a try, and I'm sure that you will like it. So by the way, first I'm going to tell you that we need Lebanese bread. So this is Lebanese flatbread. It's very thin and flat and so delicious when you make the wrap. If you don't have it, you can just substitute it with a tortilla if you like. So no problem. Okay, here I have a big bowl. Here I have yogurt. So I have like 4 tablespoons of plain yogurt. I'm gonna add on them 3 tablespoons of olive oil. And I'm going to add like 3 tablespoons of lemon juice, a little bit more. Okay, so you have to add salt to taste, and I'm going to add like half a teaspoon of black pepper, and I'm going to add like 1 teaspoon of 7 spices, and this is all what we need. So yogurt, lemon juice, olive oil, black pepper, and 7 spices. This is to marinate the beef. That smells so yummy. Okay, now I'm going to marinate the beef and leave them aside. Okay, mix them all together. Beef is ready. Leave it aside for 1 hour. And here I have the hummus. It's ready. I'm gonna list for you down in the description box the recipe, so the link for this recipe, you can try it. Now we are going to prepare the salad. Here I have fresh parsley. They chopped and ready. As you can see, they not mince, so chop them like so. And here I have 1 onion. The onion should be chopped, sliced, and very thin. Have to be like so. And I'm going to add to this salad tomato. Okay, so now I'm gonna add the lemon juice, like 3 tablespoons. I'm gonna add some salt to taste, and I'm going to add sumac, which is really important for this salad. Okay, that's it. No need to add anything else, just sumac, lemon juice, and salt. We don't add to this salad olive oil. Super delicious. Here we go. The salad is ready and everything. Now we're gonna wait a little bit, and then I'm going to start cooking the beef. Okay, so here we prepare the pan. Now I just turn on the cooker on high heat. I'm going to start frying the beef. No need to add oil, and we're not gonna cook them too much, just for a few minutes, and that's it, because this is the beef, it's not lamb. Otherwise, if you overcook it, it would be dry, so dry. Okay, so keep stirring it, and I prepare everything here: the salad, the hummus, the Lebanese wrap, or the Lebanese bread. So cook it on high heat. Alright, so this has been like 3 minutes. So I'm gonna leave them 2 more minutes, and that's it. So 5 minutes will be enough They're still a little bit red from inside, so we're not gonna throw the water. So just keep them so tender. And as I said, don't overcook them. So 2 minutes, and I'm going to turn off the cooker and start doing the wrap or preparing the wrap. Now guys, turn off the cooker, take them off, and I'm going to put them here on this plate. Wow. So first, I'm gonna take Lebanese bread, like so, just open it like so. And I'm going to spread some hummus. You can add as much as you want. Then add beef. Then add salad. Super yummy, look at this. Uh-oh. I love these kind of food. I like all kind of wrap, chicken, meat. See, this is super yummy. I'm gonna put it here. So toast it a little bit. I'm gonna prepare the other one, or the rest. Same method. Hummus. So 1 tablespoon of hummus. Meat. Salad. Don't forget the wrap. Then wrap it. You can add chili if you want. That's what we want. Put it here. Okay, this is the first one. Be careful. Oh my goodness. Here my son is waiting for his wrap. Are you excited?
Yeah.
Are you hungry?
Yeah.
Do you like them?
Yeah.
Shall I give you this?
Okay.
Okay.
Thanks.
Try it, yeah?
Okay. I like it.
What do you think?
Yeah.
Tastes yummy?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. Okay, enjoy. Thanks.
Mom can drink this.
Yes, sure.
Okay.
What is Fanta?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. This.
Okay. This the rest. Okay guys, so here we go. We showed you how we can prepare the wrap, beef wrap. So hope you enjoy it, hope you like it. So I'm gonna carry on doing the rest. As you can see, this is super easy. The wrap is super easy to be prepared. This is how it looks like from inside. It's so yummy, so delicious. So I'm gonna carry on doing the rest. By the way, I'm going to list for you the ingredients in the description box, and see you soon in another video or another recipe. Please leave me a like if you like the video, and I really appreciate it. Thank you very much, and see you soon. Bye.